Well, I hope you enjoyed all those snappy repairs. I'd show you more, but I don't have any more clips recorded. Maybe next time. If you want to meet me in person, well, I have good news for you. If you haven't heard, I'm going to be in San Antonio, Texas with Toro and Eritral in booth 415. You can find the map right here. Make it real easy to find me. I'd like to meet all of you in person, so fly out to San Antonio, Texas and come meet me. Because that's where I'll be all next week. Well, not all next week. I'll be there from Tuesday through Thursday, the 27th through the 30th. So make your way over to the Toro booth. Make time to come see me. I hope to see you there.